Papa Jack, how does it feel na after a long or a time of being in the radio at somehow meron ng broadcast awards that recognizes the radio DJs in the Philippines?
Actually, about time na nagkaroon na ng category that will recognize people from my industry. It coincided the time that I left radio. I already left radio na ako sa radio. And maybe this is a wonderful way of, hindi naman ending siguro, but culmination of a chapter in my life that I have left radio. And I'm now on stream na lang. I made my own studio na lang and online na lang.
Yes, Papa Jack, baka pwede naman kayo makahingi ng sample ng pag naririnig namin nung mga bata kami sa radyo.
Medyo masakit yan, yung bata.
Ay, basta hindi naman, mga ano lang po, mga 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Sige po, Papa Jack.
Like intro?
Yeah, kahit short intro lang para sa ating mga viewers na siya po yung nakapapakinggan natin sa radyo.
I don't have a standard intro, but everyone ako po ang lingkod ang the nice and naughty Papa Jack. Specific intro wala talaga ako.
Pero napaka-iconic ng boses Papa Jack na kapag narinig mo sa radyo, alam mo, ay, si
Oo
Papa
naman.
Jack na
Alam mo
yun.
na talaga si Papa Jack yun.
Hindi naman. Well, Papa Jack, we would like to ask, what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Rubli. Rubli, a friend of mine na nagdadamit sa mga taga-GMA. Nakangati ako kasi hindi ko sila sagot ko. Everyday ano lang ako sa t-shirt lang ako. In my entirety of career, bibihira mo ako makita lagi ako naka-t-shirt lang.
Well, Papa Jack, no, I hope you enjoy tonight's awards.
Yes.
And hopefully masungkit natin yung awards. na yan,
Yes.
diba?
Ano po ang category natin for tonight, Papa Jack?
I think broadcast awards. I didn't really.
Yeah. Best road DJ. Yes. And of course, congratulations again, Papa Jack, for your nominations. And hopefully, we would see you on stage with the FAMAS trophy and to win the FAMAS Awards. Congratulations. Enjoy the FAMAS Awards. Congratulations. Enjoy the night. Thank you, Papa Jack.
Maraming salamat po.
The FAMAS Broadcast Arts Awards 2026. Best FM Radio DJ. The FAMAS goes to... Papa Jack.
I have left radio early this year para si Dr. Love. So hindi ko inaasahan to. Para po sa pinakaunang kamag-anak ko sa buhay, para kay Mama, para sa'yo to, Ma. And to my loving daughter who's with me tonight, award natin to. I always say, itong award na tinatanggap ko namin lahat, award po ito ng mga tao nag-support sa amin. Kami lang po ang tagapagtago ng award. Maraming salamat, binigyan ako ng pagkakataong itago ang award ng ito. 25 years of radio broadcast ended January this year, I think, early part of this year. To receive an award, such an honor. What a way to close a chapter in my career. Maraming pong salamat. At sa lahat po ng mga hindi po naisama, to Jaiho and the rest of the nominees, papangalanan ko lang po lahat ng mga hindi naisama na idol ko, John Henrix, Papa Dudut, Joe Damango, and many more, Sir Dr. Love, para sa lahat ng mga nauna sa amin at who paved the way for us to be a part of such an award-giving body. Maraming pong salamat. Ma! Pang-FAMAS na ako, Ma! Thank you very much po.